Important MCQs. UGC-NET Anthropology. Power Pack Part 6. Welcome to AnthroNet Academy. A study aligned with the UGC-NET Anthropology syllabus. Description box. Please visit the description box for books references. Dear learners, if you find this content helpful, please consider subscribing to AnthroNet Academy. Your support really means a lot and keeps me motivated to create more valuable content for you. Big surprise at 500 subs. Once AnthroNet Academy hits 500 subscribers, we're dropping something truly special just for you. A full video revealing 100 powerful, underrated, and must-read books list in anthropology. Complete with author names and insights important for UGC-NET exam. Test yourself. Don't miss the final segment of this video. It includes high-yield MCQs that could make or break your next anthropology exam. Question 1. The cultural iceberg model suggests A. Overt culture is more important than covert culture. B. Most cultural meaning lies beneath the surface in covert culture. C. Only overt culture matters in communication. D. Culture is unrelated to language. Answer. B. Most cultural meaning lies beneath the surface in covert culture. Question 2. Which of the following is an example of overt language policy? A. Unwritten social expectations. B. Explicit legal statements about language rights. C. Hidden curriculum in schools. D. Regional slang. Answer. B. Explicit legal statements about language rights. Question 3. Which is a covert aspect of language in society? A. Official language declared in the Constitution. B. Unspoken attitudes towards certain dialects. C. Published grammar books. D. Language exams. Answer. B. Unspoken attitudes towards certain dialects. Question 4. Who is considered the father of American anthropology and a founder of linguistic? Anthropology? A. Bronislaw Malinowski. B. Franz Boas. C. Edward Sapir. D. Claude Levi-Strauss. Answer. B. Franz Boas. Question 5. Which of the following best describes the relationship between salvage anthropology and linguistic anthropology? A. Salvage anthropology focuses on studying extinct languages, while linguistic anthropology studies only modern languages. B. Salvage anthropology and linguistic anthropology are unrelated subfields of anthropology. C. Salvage anthropology often included the urgent documentation and preservation of indigenous languages, which directly contributed to the development and practices of linguistic anthropology. D. Linguistic anthropology rejects the methods used in salvage anthropology. Correct answer. C. Salvage anthropology often included the urgent documentation and preservation of indigenous languages, which directly contributed to the development and practices of linguistic anthropology. Explanation. Salvage anthropology emerged in the late 19th and early 20th centuries as an effort to document and preserve the cultures and languages of indigenous peoples believed to be at risk of extinction due to colonization and modernization. This included collecting language lists, recording oral traditions, and compiling vocabularies practices foundational to linguistic anthropology, which studies the relationship between language, culture, and society. Question 6. Which of the following is not a major contribution of John Gumper's to linguistic? Anthropology? A. Development of the concept of speech community. B. Introduction of contextualization cues in discourse. C. Theory of universal grammar. D. Analysis of code switching and social networks. Answer. C. Theory of universal grammar. Explanation. John Gumper's is renowned for his work on speech communities, contextualization cues, code switching, and the role of social networks in language variation and use. The theory of universal grammar is associated with Noam Chomsky, not Gumper's. Question 7. What is the main idea behind Noam Chomsky's theory of universal grammar? A. Language is learned solely through imitation. B. All human languages share an underlying structure that is innate. C. Language is a cultural invention. D. Grammar rules must be explicitly taught to children. Answer. B. All human languages share an underlying structure that is innate. Question 8. What hypothetical tool did Chomsky propose as responsible for children's ability to acquire? Language? A. Behaviorist mechanism. B. Language acquisition device, LD. C. Social learning module. D. Phonetic processor. Answer. B. Language acquisition device, LD. Question 9. According to Chomsky, what is the critical period in language acquisition? A. The period when children must be taught grammar rules. B. The period when learning language must occur for successful acquisition. C. The period when children imitate adults. D. The period after puberty. Answer. B. The period when learning language must occur for successful acquisition. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, AnthroNet Academy, for more insightful content on anthropology. Stay safe and connected.